Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your cold smoker attachment when it does not want to stay on. Stay tuned. It's really good for what it does, but what happens, I guess, is that after a while, all the grease and everything can get into your on and off switch, and this will make it stop staying on all the time. So what I was able to do, I was able to find replacements online through Amazon, and I bought a pack of about 6 of these for about $6 or $7. So after a while, I was able to find one that had the right size, the right everything to be able to be replaced. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. These are your two basic tools you're going to need. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to take off, first of all, I need to take off these legs right here. Alright, so this one right here, for whatever reason, it's stuck there. But I will find a way to get it out without having to take this off. For whatever reason, it's stuck. The next thing you're going to need is one of these Phillips screwdrivers. You take off the So the next step here is to actually remove, there's a little shield here. You need to remove this. There's some screws right here. There's 2 screws. You're just going to remove those. Alright, so let me orientate you a little bit. This is where the on and off switch goes. When the original is installed, it's installed this way right here, and you're going to have 3 cables or connections that go along with it. What you have to do is you have to disconnect the cables and actually remove this one, and then you're just going to replace it with the new one. Alright, so the on and off, the on and off button here, the symbol, so just so you know, the open circle means closed and the line means open. So, or on, off and on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install this right now. Yep, perfect. Alright, so now that I installed it here, now I'm just going to reconnect my connectors. This one goes on the bottom. This one goes in the middle. And this one goes on top. And there you go, that's it. Now I'm just gonna test it out to see if it actually turns on. It looks like it's working. If you look at the on and off button, it lights up. There it is. Lights up, so it's good. Now I have to see if it actually heats up. Give it a couple of seconds. I won't leave it on too long because I'm indoors. But yeah, you can already feel the heat coming off of that. So yeah, there you go. That's as simple as that to replace. I'm going to turn this off because I need to put everything back together. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. It was a $5 fix. Look at that. On, off. It was a $5 fix that I was able to get this going. Now all I have to do is put everything back together the way it was. And there you go, guys. It's a simple $5 fix, and actually it's cheaper because it's $5 or $7 for a whole pack of these. But that way you can keep on smoking with your cold smoker attachment. All right. There's a lot of other videos that you guys can check out on my channel. Please check them out. If you like, please like and subscribe them. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Once again, this has been the Smoking Beard, and thanks for watching.